everyone, welcome back. Is Rocket Money freezing on its loading screen and never actually reaching your dashboard? Here's the fix. First, open any web browser or any other app to see if your connection is actually working. Then go to your settings and toggle airplane mode on for about 15 seconds. Then turn it back off, which fully resets your network connection and clears a stalled session. Force close the Rocket Money app completely from your recent apps and then reopen it fresh on that reset connection. If it's still stuck loading, go to your settings, go to General, go to iPhone Storage, scroll down to the list of apps and find the Rocket Money app. Tap on it and tap Offload app once you find it. This will clear a corrupted cache. After that, go to the App Store and reinstall it fresh from here. After reinstalling it, check Settings, then go to General, then go to Software Update and confirm your iOS is current since loading freezes are common on outdated iOS versions. So, all you've got to do is confirm your connection, reset with airplane mode, force close and reopen, then offer and reinstall if it proceeds. Rocket Money loads normally, and that's it. Subscribe.